Steam curls from the bowl, but no one stirs. Her voice folds the silence like an old letter. I trace the rim of my spoon with my thumb, counting each grain so I won't look up. She says the world won't wait for tender hearts. Says kindness needs armor, not just open hands. The clock ticks twice between every word. My chopsticks hover above cold white rice. I want to say I'm trying, but my throat fills with broth I can't swallow. You speak in lessons I hear in echoes. Your love arrives wrapped in worries thread. I nod like I understand the map you're drawing, while I'm still lost inside my own head. Outside, streetlights blink on one by one. Your hand rests near mine, almost a bridge. I smell the ginger in your tea again. Same scent as when I was 6 and scared. This time I almost reach, but pull my sleeve back beneath the table. You speak in lessons I hear in echoes. Your love arrives wrapped in worries thread. I nod like I understand the map you're drawing, while I'm still lost inside my own head. What if I told you I keep your old device tucked in my coat like a spare key? Not because it fits every lock, but because it's yours. You speak in lessons I hear in echoes. Your love arrived wrapped in worries thread. I'm learning to hold both the scolding and the sword, and call it home inside my head. You speak in lessons I hear in echoes. All of our eyes wrapped in worries thread. I'm learning to hold both the scolded and the soft, and call